In our today's session, we are supposed to cover advanced functions. We shall cover anonymous functions and closures. .php. One, which is anonymous functions and closures, recursive and variable functions. We will start with anonymous functions. It's a function without a name. It's often stored in variable or passed directly into another function. Is a normal function. So we'll call this function greet, echo, hello world. Outside these curly brackets, we call the function. Talking of anonymous function, and we have said is a function without a name. Variable greet equals to function. But this function has no name. Echo hello from anonymous function. Outside the curly bracket, we need to call that function. In anonymous function, we call it same way that we call a normal function. We come to passing anonymous function as a parameter. We can pass anonymous function to another function. Very common in callback functions. So we start function, process, a normal function, we leave it like that. But now we need to pass anonymous function as a parameter. So we will pass it as a variable and we will call it callback. Echo, processing something. We need this callback. We call it back. We call the function that was passed on. Remember, for anything to display a normal function, we must call it outside the curly brackets. We're supposed to call it like that as a normal function. So inside, we pass a function. And this function is anonymous because it doesn't have any name. Echo, done processing. We can go to browser and check. So it's starting from hello world. This was our normal function. Hello from anonymous function. Processing something, done processing something. Then we go to anonymous function with parameters. Store it in variable sum. We will store an anonymous function, a function without a name. Inside this function, we pass parameters here. Pass variable A and variable B. Return variable A plus variable B. Echo sum is variable sum. Whenever we call this sum, remember it had some parameters passed, so we need to give them their values 10 and 20. The sum is 30. So a closure is a special anonymous function that can remember variables from the outside scope. Or we can say closure is anonymous function that can use variables from outside its scope using a keyword use. We have an example. Welcome to Vibe Empire. Show equals function. Show is a variable carrying an anonymous function. Use message. Echo message. Remember, this is a variable which is not inside the scope of this function here. But we are trying to remember it and use it using keyword use. We call anonymous as a normal function, so we need to call show. Welcome to Vibe Empire. We come to a closure with parameters plus use keyword. So we start here. Variable college equals First Ready Computer Training College. Then we come to anonymous function, which is a closure now because we are using the term use. Variable display stores a function without a name, but now inside we pass a parameter variable name. Use variable college. Need to echo hello variable name. Welcome to variable college. Call display. Remember, inside there was a parameters, so we shall pass that name. So whenever we call this display, we are supposed to say hello, then name is Lucy. Welcome to First Ready Computer Training College. We confirm in our browser. It's there, but we need to break. We go to crochet in real life example. We can use crochets in array functions like array filter or array map. Variable students will store, we will have job, comma, Lucy, Ellie, Lillian, James. That is an array I've created. We will come to variable filtered, array filter. We need to filter variable students, comma, function, but inside we need to pass parameter variable student, return variable student greater than 4. It will only return those variable strings that have letters greater than 4. So print R, inside I pass this variable filtered. We have seen array 3, 4.